The water is definitely running out of there.
Hey everyone! So we're doing projects at the boat, even though we said we wouldn't for the summer, but this is just a little tiny one. So our shaft seal on the port side was leaking just a little more than it should have been. It wasn't detrimental yet, but the bilge pump was going off pretty regularly every couple of minutes. And so we decided to repack the shaft seal. So here is what it looked like, and pretty well a step by step. Probably not a perfect step by step because we had never done this before, but hopefully this helps you out and points you in a direction if you're looking to do this.
Oh, you can see we have a. Gonna be blank flashing because of LED. So the water is definitely running out of there. You can see it from there. See what happens when we take this loose.
Gush water out, huh?
Well, hopefully not too bad. When I screw it back down.
Have you had those off?
Nope.
Okay.
Seems like it'd be a pretty thin one. I don't even know where the packing's at on there. Oh, I didn't bring a tool. I want to bring a pick. Yeah, to try to get it out of this other end here. I need a pick, something. The crab stuff might have something. There's a metal pick in there.
And the crab fork.
Oh yeah, there it is. It's in the net. You have to do some editing here so it makes it sound like I know what I'm doing.
It's probably more fun if you don't know what you're doing.
Okay, you can see the nut's off. This is in, boat still in the water. And that is all the water coming out. And this is what's in there for packing. Not much. I'm glad we're changing it out. Because there's a piece, it fits around there. So now we get to see what size it is because I ordered both. I ordered two sizes. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what size. And you know what? A crab picking tool works good for that.
Oh, good to know.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh's happening.
That's a 1/4 inch here. Which I think, maybe it is a 1/4. I think it will. No, I don't think a 1/4 inch will fit. I got both 1/4 and 3/16, hopefully. Should probably turn that pump off so it wasn't going on and off, but got the bigger pump if it's 3/16. That's only one wrap around that shaft. That's all I had. Here is the 3/16 stuff. I'm gonna cut that. Can you hand me a piece of the sandpaper, like the 400 or whatever? I want to clean this shaft off here. I don't think I have a emery cloth. Emery cloth's a roll of the strip stuff. Clean the corrosion off of there. I don't know if I can turn this or not. There it goes. Got some white corrosion there. Crud on there. It's coming off. Don't want that on there because it'll take out the packing when that stuff is on there. This stuff's not made to get wet. There's no black. The black is made for water. It's wet, dry. Oh, that's much better. I didn't know we had any. The shaft looks pretty good. I can see a little bit of wear, but nothing to worry about. Alright. I need my little fork now, which I dropped behind me.
I heard it tinkle, tinkle.
Try not to lay on the exhaust here. That's not a good thing either. Well, I think there might be one more layer in there. Yep.
Another layer?
Okay. Well, definitely want to pull them both out. Because they are not doing any good. Oh, there we go. Try to make these where the gap, one end is up, one end's down. I think the gap is on the bottom. Right there. Should have probably marked where I put it in so I know exactly where the gap is. Check, make sure. Okay, so I think that's where my gap is. I should have marked it. So we'll turn it that way. Put this one in like that. And tighten it down. Had 2 in there before.
Are you able to put 3 in?
I don't know if I should go 2 or 3.
Yeah, because you still want to be able to have enough threads on there, right?
Well, it's also got to get water through it too so it doesn't overheat.
Oh, yeah.
You got a little bit of water going through it. Yeah, I think I want to leave it at that. See what happens. I'll just leave 2 on there. If it's not enough, I'll add 1 more. That is almost to the lock nut. I might need 3. I'm all the way up against the lock nut.
Oh.
At least we know we can change this with it in the water.
Yeah, that's nice to know. It's not going to sink the boat.
Alright. What you do is start up this engine,
Okay.
let it warm up for a minute, and then you can put it in, I don't know which way the shaft goes. We'll put it in gear, take it out so I see which way it's going.
Okay.
We're not buzzing.
It didn't buzz. I know.
Oh, you turned the key off.
No, I turned the button off.
Oh, the key was still on?
The key was still on. Maybe I just got the key quick enough it didn't start buzzing it.
Huh.
Yeah, button first though.
That's definitely noisy here. The transmission might need some work done to it eventually. It does quiet down. I know it gets noisy and then quiet. So it's intermittent. So I have to check that out, I guess, here.
Certain conditions it doesn't like.
But I think that's it. Tighten that down. I just need my tools. Huh. WD-40. And you can turn that deck light on, that way I can see out here. Hammer time. The edge of those are a little chewed up. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to tell where to get exactly where to adjust this to. You have to check it a couple times. It's just gonna be a pain with all the stuff we put on top of it. Okay. You don't see that nut moving, so that is a good sign. Let's see, ratchet. There we go. Yeah, it's got a real slow drip, which is fine for now. I'd rather have it drip than overheat the shaft. All right. You get your camera back.
Thank you, sir.
Let's see what's wrong with the transmission.
Okay.